Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you want to view, edit, sign, scan and manage PDFs directly from your phone or tablet? Do you need access to Adobe Acrobat while you are away from your computer? The Adobe Acrobat mobile app lets you work with PDFs on iPhone, iPad and Android devices, and you can read documents, annotate PDFs, fill and sign forms, scan paper documents, use AI-powered tools and access files stored in the cloud. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to use Adobe Acrobat on mobile in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, you have to know that Adobe Acrobat mobile is available for both iOS and Android devices. You can view, comment on and share PDFs for free. Sign in with an Adobe Acrobat or Adobe account enables cloud syncing and additional features, and keep the app updated to access the latest features and security improvements. So first thing, install Adobe Acrobat mobile, like download and install the Adobe Acrobat app from your device's app store. Search for Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat Reader, edit PDF. Install the official Adobe application, so make sure the publisher is Adobe Inc. So sign into your Adobe account, open the app, tap sign in, enter your Adobe account credentials. Sign in allows you to sync files, access subscriptions, use cloud storage and continue work across devices. So use the same Adobe account you use on your desktop. So open a PDF files like tab files or open file. Choose a PDF form from your phone storage, Adobe Documents Cloud services, and that's it. Navigate through documents, search within the PDF, annotate and comment, so fill and sign forms. Okay, so you have many options that you can do in your phone using this application. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.